I didn't know anything about cars, and it was just something I was interested in. But now that I am into it, I love it. Well, I'm Jacob. I'm a technician at Performance Lexus RiverCenter in Covington, Kentucky. And my position is just a tech. We don't like to do, we try not to do lube tech stuff around here as a title, so that every tech can do new things and experience everything and learn, so that they're not stuck on just oil changes and rotations and all that. So I was always curious. I wanted to get into a good dealership. And I looked on their website and it said a lot of good things. So I came here and tried it out, and from what I've heard from all the master techs, it sounds great as a future career, because there's no like dead end. You can keep working, get better at your job, and go faster and make more money. So I come in before work and I get everything ready, get all the tools ready. And then right about at 8 o'clock, all the ROs start printing off, because that's when we open. And they will distribute, the team leader will distribute the ROs to the team to keep everything nice and even and keep everyone with work. So he'll give me my first RO, which usually in the morning is going to be an oil change or a rotation, just because that's the rush in the morning. So I'll go ahead and bring that car in and get started on that. This is going to be a, obviously it's not a Lexus, but it's in for 4 tires and an alignment. So as you can see on the tire, they're getting old, and the left rear is flat, so we're gonna have to replace those and get it all aligned. So I'm gonna get on that. So I was not interested in cars at all, but this program at Gateway, also in Kentucky, really interested me. So they brought me in for a 2-year degree and taught me all the basics and everything I needed to know, which then I got the job here, which I was really excited about, and I got to apply everything I learned in school into the field. And it's awesome learning both hands-on and learning from the books. So how it starts is everyone's hired on as hourly, just to make sure they can learn everything and they're not stressed about making hours, working faster than what that job pays. But when you are ready, they actually do a thing here which is really nice, where they call it a flat rate with a guarantee. So if I'm here for 40 hours a week, I'm a guaranteed 40 hours. But if I turn more hours, if I earn more hours than what I was here for, I still get paid for those hours. So it's a win-win either way. And especially while you're in school, it's awesome because I can't lose in that scenario. So we went ahead and got that tire off over there. But if you look closely, all you can see on this bead is corrosion building up. It's going to be these white buildups here, which can actually cause a tire leak, so you will be losing pressure. So we're going to go ahead and clean that up for them and apply some bead sealer so that that issue is fixed, and it will be fixed for a while. The last thing we're going to do, whenever you replace tires, it's a good idea to correct the alignment angles so that they wear correctly. So we're going to go ahead and adjust all of his alignment angles so we get a better wear on these set of tires. So actually everyone is really cool. So if I'm struggling on anything, I could ask literally anyone in the shop, and they will take their time to come over, help me do it, or just teach me how to do it and let me do it myself. But yeah, anyone, even just the normal techs, master techs, they'll all help. It's very helpful. Of course, when you're learning, especially in the very beginning, you mess up sometimes, but they take it as a learning experience, not a punishment thing. So I'm not afraid of getting punished. I want to do everything right, but if I do mess up, they'll just show me the right way. They'll be forgiving. Management's actually been really helpful. Justin's really helpful with everything. I can ask him anything I need and he'll figure it out, so he's great. All right, so we just completed our repair, which is the tires and the alignments. So we're gonna go ahead and take it on this 2-mile route just to make sure everything sounds okay and that it's driving straight, especially because we corrected those angles. And so far everything is looking good. We're just gonna complete the 2 miles and get it onto the car wash. So I'm really glad this was the first place that I found to get my intro into this career field, because I do really love this job. Not everyone gets to wake up and look forward to going to work, and I do get to enjoy coming here and look forward to it. I never knew how successful someone could be in this field, and I'm really excited for my future with this company.